Hello, everyone, and welcome to the modules Successful SaaS and AI Products. So, we're going to cover how to be successful with a SaaS product and AI products, how to sell them, and how you can create a marketing framework to have successful sales and a successful business around an AI product. So, what makes a SaaS and AI product successful? It's a good framework, a sales funnel, and a marketing strategy so you can have a product market fit for your specific niche, a good design, make sure you have the technology for scalability, and obviously effective marketing is one of the most important things. We have to make a study before we start selling our product. We have to make sure our product solves a problem. So the first thing you're going to do is to study the market, find a gap, build an MVP, which means a minimum value product. We're going to cover how to do that really fast so you can test the product and the market response to it. Later, you can focus on experience, user experience, have a strong monetization offer, and scalability. Core elements, we already covered this. Make sure you have a good market research, a good, simple, intuitive design of your app or your product, and a good pricing. You can start with a free trial and then go to a subscription model. Now, from there, we will go to customer acquisition, retention. The way we acquire users for our product is through marketing, referrals, and free trials. Make sure you check down on the comment section or the description section the resources for this. So from acquiring users, we will go to retaining users, learn how to retain a user for as long as possible on our platform with regular updates and a very strong support. Obviously, we will teach you how we can create chatbots, AI chatbots, or AI agents that will automatically give support to the user without a human or you having to be having all the labor. Now, long-term success, focus on customer happiness. Make sure you get feedback from the customer. We're gonna teach you also how to do this through an AI chatbot. Make sure you get all the feedback for future updates and to keep your user experience of your customer optimized. Now, in the next module, as you know, we're going to start building successful AI products, learn how to build a product, and later on how to monetize it and market effectively. So we had different stages on building a product. We have to identify how can AI solve the problems automatically. So it will automate time-consuming tasks, basically where to store data, high-quality data sets, improve the accuracy of the app, and automation efficiency, where in most cases and the best niches are in finance, healthcare, and marketing. Now, the way we scale AI products is, as I mentioned before, we start with an MVP, minimum value product, where we have the key features. Even if you have the whole idea of the product with the whole features on paper, in order to test our product as soon as possible, we will have to release it pretty fast. So make sure you just have one or two features, and later on you can build the other features as we move on. Sometimes the users will give us feedback on what they want, and we will create a new feature based on that. And it can change the whole perspective of what we had initially planned for the platform, because we had thought on other features, but we have to stick with what the user or the client wants. So for that, we have user feedback. We will test new features, new updates, and improve, always improving our product. Scaling challenges will come when we reach a high number of traffic and users. We don't have to worry about that in the beginning, because that will only happen when we have millions of users, which means we have funds to solve these kind of scaling problems and handle large data sets. So make sure the full scale solution is always continues to improve. Now, the different studies or examples of successful SaaS and AI is Dropbox or Shopify, Jasper AI, ChatGPT most recently. And these are probably one of the most successful SaaS businesses out there with a lot of users and a lot of recurrent and income. So common pitfalls and mistakes that we have to avoid. We have to do a really good market research. So lack of market research can lead you to a bad product that nobody wants. So you won't get any sales of that. Ignoring user experience, we have to be able to get feedback from the users and know what they want and follow their suggestions. Not iterating on feedback and overcomplicating features is when you have an idea of a lot of features, want to implement them, and nobody uses them on your platform. So make sure you get the feedback of what the user wants, and from there, try to implement those features on your platform or product. So how can LazyStack Marketplace support success? We'll be able to provide you with AI builders so you can create anything without coding, AI tools, AI products, even full SaaS businesses. We'll provide you with AI tools for market analysis, which will provide you everything you need to have the perfect market analysis. And from there, build your product. Also, automation tools on how to market your product efficiently, how to create content to market your product, and how to scale your product. So let's remember what we talked in this lesson. Know how to find your market fit, and from there build your product. Prioritize usability, leverage AI for efficiency, and focus always on customer retention and customer user experience. See you in the next lecture. Bye-bye.